After the transmitter has been properly connected and you verified a good ground, turn on the receiver by turning the volume knob on the front of the receiver. You should hear a beeping sound indicating that the receiver is working. A high-pitched tone indicates that you are too close to the receiver or your batteries are low. A fading signal also indicates low battery. Begin tracing where the clock wires enter the ground. Point the receiver toward the ground and listen for the signal. The closer you are to the cable, the louder the signal should be, except when you are directly over the cable. Directly over the cable, the Pro800 works on the null principle. This means that the signal is null or stops when the receiver is directly over the cable. As you approach a wire, the signal will intensify. If you are slightly to the left or right, the signal will be loudest. But pointing the receiver directly at the cable produces virtually no sound. In this way, you will know the exact location of the wire or cable being traced. Follow the null signal to trace the path of the wire. For best accuracy, keep the wand perpendicular to the ground. The volume control on the front of the receiver controls the volume for both the headphones and the external speaker. The analog meter on the front of the receiver will indicate the reception level visually.